Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in the Margarete Miller Collage Challenge. And our prompts for this week, we're on week 18, is a postal item. So I've got this faux postcard and stamp, a piece of newspaper. I have got this cut out. It's from an old newspaper, and it's promoting the Imagination Library. Money, I've got this Monopoly money. Water stain or smudge, I've got this paper. And the bonus is instructions. And this is a vintage coupon, and it's got instructions on how to redeem it and everything. So I hope everybody's doing great. And without further ado, let's get started. All right, let me flip that up just a tad. All right, let's see. I haven't even thought about how I'm going to put this down. So this is, I did not tear up a Bible. This was already in pieces when I got it. This was a vintage paper pack that I got. So I'm going to use that. And I have got, see how I'm going to do this. I'm thinking that can kind of go down there. And perhaps something like that. I have got that, and I do have a pretty butterfly that I thought I could add. Still feel like it needs more of a focal point. Let's see. Maybe something. Something kind of like that, maybe. That's a little more of a focal point. Let me see. I'll go ahead and get some of the, I'm pretty sure that's where that's going to go. Oh, and one of my prompts was a floral pattern, and I used that at the bottom there. Okay. So let me go ahead and glue those together. Well, I hope everybody's doing good. I finished a pretty good book. It's the Cottage... The Guest Cottage by Lori Foster. And it's just a sweet little romance. I enjoyed it a lot. It was a nice change from all the murder and mayhem I've been reading. Let's see here, maybe. There. But yeah, it's Lori Foster. And I don't know what the deal is with my iPad. When I go to bed, it's usually when I watch videos, because it's the first time I've really had downtime, without anybody being around. And lately, I've been coming to bed the last couple of nights, and my iPad, the Wi-Fi won't pick up in here, and I don't know why. we live in a parsonage, and it picks up all the way to the church. And yet, for some reason, it won't pick up to my bedroom. And I've never had a problem like that before, so I'm not sure what's going on. So don't think I'm just ignoring your videos. I just haven't had a chance to watch them because I can't watch them at night. So I will have to catch up. Okay. I've got these little things I thought I could add. Just the little thing in the middle came out, so found these. If there's anything else, that's a little bit of a focal point. This is just stuff laying down on my desk. And I have not used these, and my friend Barbie gave these to me a long time ago. So I think I'm going to put one on there now. I just saw it. Let's see if I can tuck that up under there. That's cute. Why not? Kind of ties in with that one. Oops. And I do want to do some splatters. Water. See if I get this going. Be sure and check out Margarete Miller's channel, and be sure and check out the hashtag 2026 CWP18 to see what everyone else is making. All right, I'm just gonna hit a few places here. Don't know why. Just seemed like the thing to do. All right, so we have got, oh, I can. What did I do? Had a little, there. Okay. We have a postal item, so we've got that faux postcard and stamp. A piece of newspaper, I've got this. Money, I've got the Monopoly money. A water stain or smudge, I have got that. You can see a little bit of it on the paper. Floral pattern is my background paper. And the bonus is instructions, and I've got this coupon that has the instructions on how to redeem it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Y'all, I love you. Take care. Be sure and check out Margarete Miller's channel. Be sure and check out the hashtag 2026 CWP18 to see what everyone's made this week. So until next time, bye y'all.